Hey guys, and welcome to, oh, I have lots of makeup on my hand. Cool. Just excuse me, I'm a little bit of a hot mess today. Whoa, I have fallout. Cool. Here we go again. Hot mess Caitlin today. Hey guys, and welcome to this week's Fab in 5. So today I'm going to be talking about foundation application and more importantly, my 5 top tools to apply my foundation. We have some high-end, we have some more drugstore and more affordable, and then we have some in between. So if you're interested in finding out my favorite tools, then keep on watching. The first one is from Artiste, and it is their Elite Oval 7. I used to think that it was so overrated. I don't know. I was like, what's so special about it? It's very pricey, but it is one of the smoothest brushes in my collection. It glides on the skin so easily. I find with brushes, you get more coverage. It doesn't soak up as much product, wasting less. You're getting the coverage on your skin. And I do really like this for quick application. Brushes are a lot quicker as well. Soft bristles. It's not streaky, blends the makeup really, really well, and it's very quick. It is pricey if you want to kind of invest in something. Honestly, is worth it in my opinion. The one thing I would say is this part is very flimsy. So I know a lot of people have broken theirs, so I recommend always keeping your finger on the actual head so that when you press, it's not like putting too much pressure. So if you're looking for a dupe for this, I definitely prefer my Artiste one, but if you're looking for something more affordable and budget friendly, I do actually really like the Revolution version of the Artiste brush. I do feel like these are a little bit softer, so it gives a little bit less of a streakier application, but they really are quite close. So this one, also, I would recommend keeping some pressure on here so you don't snap it. This one, it honestly does the job at a much more reasonable price. So if you're somebody who can't afford something like this, then this will definitely get you the same result. It applies the foundation quickly and it gives great coverage. You might notice a couple streaks here and there, but you can kind of do a patting motion and get that blended out. It really does a beautiful job and it's a much more affordable option. Another brush that I absolutely love that's a little bit different, it is a typical kabuki style brush, and it is the Sigma Flat Kabuki brush. It really does a very similar job, applies the foundation quickly, great coverage, minimal streaking, and it's a pretty reasonable price as well. So the last 2 products are sponges. I'm a huge sponge girl, and the 2 that I absolutely love are, well, number 1, Beauty Blender. We can't go wrong with the Beauty Blender. You already probably know about this. You already probably have one. This is definitely one of the most well-known makeup sponges out there. What I actually really love to do is apply with my Artiste brush or my Sigma brush, like a foundation brush, and then I like to go over with the sponge. So you get the coverage with the brush, you get the quicker application, and then you just have to go over and get that airbrush finish. That's what I love about this sponge. It gives you the most flawless, blended, seamless airbrush finish. I also love doing under eye powder. I feel like it provides a smoother effect. I honestly use this for everything. I apply cream blush with it, cream contour with it. It's my favorite. It's my baby. Now, if you're looking for something affordable that is very similar to the Beauty Blender, I do have pretty close dupe, and that is the Real Techniques brush. I really, really love this because it has that same softness to it. There's a lot of sponges out there that are really, really rock hard, and I'm like, how are we doing this right now? Very soft. Once you wet it, which I did forget to mention with pretty much all sponges, I do really recommend wetting it, wring it out, and then I even wring it out with a paper towel so it's just slightly damp, helps the blendability of it. You will notice a huge difference if you dampen your sponge. This one from Real Techniques, honestly, I love pretty much just as much as my Beauty Blender. Basically can do everything I can do with my Beauty Blender, and it pretty much gives me the exact same result. It's a bit more affordable as well. So yeah, that is my top 5 foundation tools that I wanted to share with you guys to hopefully make your foundation application a little bit smoother, a little bit easier, and a little bit more flawless. Is this a commercial? I sound so professional. I'm in a mood, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.